Hi guys, my name is Sunil Saha and I am the founder of Blue Tea. So we have launched something which India has probably never seen before in tea packaging. We are launching some beautiful, colorful gifts which are 100% herbal, zero caffeine teas for festive season. Of course, you have been gifting a lot of dry fruits, a lot of snacks to all your relatives, all your people, whether it is customers or all your staff, employees, everybody. But herbal teas are the new trend across the world in terms of gifting. Why? Because it is healthy. Second, you can have it anytime. And third, it does not increase your calorie count. So we Blue Tea are bringing something unique to you, something beautiful, something herbal for you, so that there is choices for you in gifting. So here are some of our beautiful gifting collections. This is our white and gold beautiful 9 pyramid tea gift box. And this comes with a cover which is transparent. Let me just take this out. Here comes the lid. So here is the box, and these are some 9 cute pyramid gift box. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful and very good for weddings, very good for herbal gifting, very good for gifts this festive season. Why? Because people are tired of dry fruits and snacks. I think herbal gifts is the way to go forward. I'm sure that you'll be interested in something like this.